Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power BI with Sudhir YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn how to transform the data. So in last video what we was we imported the data from Excel to Power BI engine. So this was the source data which we imported, right? And this sheet we had 4 sheets: customers, orders, products and sales facts, and this what we imported here. So you could see customers, orders, products and sales facts, right? But there's one thing which is supposed to be noticed. If I click on customers, so column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, it is reflecting as in headers. But whereas if I see the source data, so there's header, customer ID, customer name, region, state and a city. So how to correct them? To correct them and to clean the data, to transform the data, that's where the transform data feature comes in, right? First we will click on transform data. So see this, we are going to click on transform data, and once we click on transform data, then new window will be opened up which is called Power BI editor. So now here the data is reflecting, and that's where we clean up the data or we transform the data. Now here you could see that column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, those are reflecting as a headers, but ideally it should be column ID, customer ID, customer name, region, state and city. So how to do the changes so that customer ID, customer name, region, state and city would become as in headers. So we have the feature transform. We will click here transform, and then we have feature use first row as headers, right? There are two options: use first row as headers and use headers as first row. So we will use first row as headers. So once I click on this, so what will happen? See, the headers have been changed, right? Now the first row has become as in headers. It means we had in first row we had customer ID, customer name, region and state and city. So those have become as in headers. Now the data is being considered from here, cust 1001 and like that. Okay, similarly if I go ahead to check the product data, so here the same problem is there, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, those are the headers. But ideally this is our headers: product ID, product name, category and subcategory. So again we will use the same feature, use first row as headers. So now see, this data have been changed. There's one thing which is to be noticed, whatever the changes you perform on this particular window, everything is being recorded here. See this, applied steps. So whatever the activities you are doing, everything will be recorded here. Okay, now so that headers have been corrected. So this to learn on transform data, so we will learn one by one. Now I would request you to please subscribe this channel and like the video, and thank you very much. We will meet in next video again.